In this short video, I will show you how you can create a very simple gear mechanism like this. As you can see here. Okay, so let's start drawing. I already have made the drawing. So in video description, you can download the file. There will be a link to you can download this 2D file here. We can also create the gear, but the best way to generate gears like this is use any online gear generator. Go to Google, search for gear generator. There you can define all the details like how much number of teeth, what number of teeth you need, the diameter of the gear, and like this everything you can define there, and you can then download the DXF file, the 2D file. So you can download this file from this video description. Okay, so we will start by drawing this shape here. See where we will be holding the gears. For this, we have to make a rectangle, REC, and type at the rate, now 300 and comma, and now 50. So we have a rectangle here, and now see the distance from this edge to the center of the first gear is 105. The other distance is 120 from this center. So we will make a line here, offset 105, other offset 120. Okay, now we will create circles. One circle here, type D for diameter 20, and same the one circle here, the midpoint, D for diameter, same 20. Okay, delete these two lines. Now we will switch to any isometric view, so we can press pull, convert this one into 3D. For this, go to modeling tab, press pull, the small circle inside, give it height 50, same here, the 50. Now other circle here, this will be 20. The outer area here, this will be also 20. And inside here, this will be 15. Same with this gear. After this, we will also press pull this shape, and this will be 50 also. Now we need to join this gear. This is 3 parts, 1, 2, 3, like this. For this, UNI, union command. Again, select union command. Okay. Now we need to move this gear and this gear. Select move, auto mode on, go upwards and type 15, like this. Okay. Now again select any other view, but before that we need to cut here, create a rectangle. So when you select rectangle and come on this this face like this should be highlighted like this. Click on the corner Move slowly like this and to this corner. Okay, now we need to offset this rectangle inside. Offset, select distance 10. We cannot select the rectangles for this. We have to change the visual style from realistic to the wireframe. Now offset. Now for this, we again can change the visual style. Okay, now we need to press pull again. Select this inside area, go backwards, and it will cut like this. Okay, now we can change the colors, so we can, now you can change colors. Select the object, go to properties, give it any color you want. Now with the help of reorbit, we will move all these objects. But before we can change the color, you can put any color you want. Select both gears and the pins. Select move command, center of the circle. There you go. Thanks for watching.